Hello and welcome to another Computer Terminology for Beginners video. Today we will be concentrating on term Ethernet. Ethernet is a series of wired computer networking technologies commonly used in local area networks, metropolitan area networks, and wide area networks. Ethernet was introduced in 1980 and became standard in 1983. This cable looks very much like a telephone cable, but is much thicker due to the need to carry much more data than a phone line would need to carry. Ethernet has been redefined many times since the 80s to support higher bit rates of data, but has retained much backwards compatibility with older generations. Originally, Ethernet cords used coaxial cables as a shared medium, while newer cables use twisted pair and fiber optic links in conjunction with switches. Ethernet is widely used in homes and industries. Ethernet interworks well with Wi-Fi technologies, so these commonly go hand in hand with one another. Internet protocols are commonly carried over Ethernet and is considered one of the key technologies that make up the Internet. Despite this, Ethernet can also be used to connect a number of computers together to communicate and share large numbers of data and files between each other, whether it be a local connection, such as in the same building, or over long distances, such as across a city, state, or a country. That does it for today's terminology for beginners for computers. If you like the video, go ahead and press the like button. Go ahead and subscribe for future content. If you want to catch last week's video on display ports and VGA connections, go ahead and check out the video on the left. And you can check the computer terms playlist on the right. And stay tuned for next week's terminology, Wi-Fi.